For your ease of reference, detailed recipe is given in the description below. Jaisalmer gin. This gin in itself is extremely flavorful. By just opening the bottles, aroma gets filled into the atmosphere. I have already pre-poured gin, Jaisalmer gin, into these short glasses, 60 ml, 2 ounces, and let's go into this glass. And along with the citrusy flavors that the gin already has, we put some orange juice and a bit of cranberry juice. Yeah, that gives it the beautiful pink color, making it the proverbial pink gin. And we top it with lime juice, lemon juice. Half a lemon would suffice. We give it a pre-stir before putting in ice. The flavor of the gin, cranberry, lemon, and orange. Let's put in some ice. It's music to my ears. So here we have our gin cocktail. If you have liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching.